Good morning, students. I am your maths teacher. Hope you all are doing good at home and enjoying your online studies. Welcome back to your maths class. Now, today I am going to start Unit 11 Time and Temperature. We will discuss about time. Here we measure the time in different units like hours, minutes, seconds. These are the different units of times: years, months, weeks, and days. Here in this chart, we have given the relation between different units of times as 1 year is equal to 12 months, or 1 year is equal to 52 weeks, or 1 year we can also write equal to 365 days. 1 month is equal to 30 days. 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 day equal to 24 hours. And 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. A leap year has 366 days. Student, this is how we convert a bigger unit into a smaller unit. When we convert a bigger unit into a smaller unit, then we multiply. Means if we want to convert hours into minutes, then we multiply by 60. If you want to convert minute into seconds, then we multiply by 60. Similarly, if you want to convert year into months, then we multiply by 12. And weeks into days, we multiply by 7. So, let's see how we use these relations. See, now I will start exercise 11.1. We have first question, convert into minutes. What are the digits we have given here? 3 hours, 4 minutes. Let's 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, or 3 hour equal to 3 multiply 60. 3 6 are 18. 3 zeros are 0. 180 minutes. How many more minutes we have? 4. Then we add 4. Now what we get the answer? We get 184 minutes. See next sum, convert into seconds. What we have? 3 minutes 25 seconds. Now as we know, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 3 minutes is equal to 3 multiply 60. Multiply it, we get 180 seconds. How many more minutes we have? 25. Then we add 25. When we add 180 and 25, we get 205 seconds. Now see this one, convert into days. 5 months, 28 days. 1 month is equal to 30 days. 5 months is equal to 5 multiply 30. That is equal to 150 days. How many more days we have? 28. Plus 28 there. What we get the answer? 178 days. See this one. Convert into months. Now we have to convert 2 years, 2 months into months. So 1 year is equal to 12 months. Now 2 years is equal to 12 into 2. That is equal to 24. 24 plus 2 is equal to 26 months. Students, see this, converting a smaller unit into a bigger unit. Here we have to convert seconds into minutes. Then what we will do? We divide. If we want to convert minutes into hours, then we also divide. By which number? By 60. As we know, 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. Now see this relation. Here we have given months, weeks, days. If we want to convert days into weeks, then we divide by 7. If we want to convert days into months, then we will divide it by 30. Students, let's start exercise 11.2. We will start exercise 11.2. See, first sum, convert into minutes and seconds. I have written